Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the form and going straight to Responses. Click the green Sheets icon to create or link a spreadsheet. Once linked, make sure the Google Sheet is set to editable for your account and collaborators. You do this because the live response feed populates the sheet automatically. That synchronization is critical. Now, check that column headers match the questions and decide if you need raw responses or a filtered copy for Excel export. Once the sheet is populated, you clean the data before export. First, remove blanks and duplicates, and then normalize dates and numeric formats so Excel interprets them correctly. Use format right arrow number or text formulas when needed. If you need computed fields, add them in new columns now, because formulas may not transfer identically to Excel. Make sure to use filters to preview results, and create a dedicated export sheet if you want to preserve the original live data. You export by choosing File, right arrow Download, right arrow Microsoft Excel, XLSX. Save the file where you can access it. If you notice formatting or formula issues, export as CSV instead and import into Excel with the correct locale and delimiter settings, because CSV forces plain values and avoids hidden Google-specific formulas. Finally, verify critical columns like dates, percentages, and VLOOKUP references. If something
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.